Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to simply start chatting directly with Google Gemini AI without any stress. So let's see. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to address bar right here. What you want to do is to press at Google Gemini and hit enter. So it take you right here. What you want to do is to click on the first result right here. And it's going to take you to Google Gemini Studio, just like what you see right here. Now, come to the top right here. There are a lot of new features as far as Google Gemini is concerned. Google Gemini 2.0, 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental, then Deep Research and Personalization Experimental. Help based on your search history. And this one here is Get In-Depth Research Report. So this is very good for academics. And this one right here, which is used advanced reasoning for the particular experimenting or flash thinking. Okay, now you can switch from one option to another option. So the first one here is Flash 2.0 by default. So if we come down below right here, and then we can simply ask Google Gemini a simple question that how can we use Google Gemini Deep Research? Okay, then I'm going to simply press enter on my keyboard, and in a few seconds you're going to see a very good result right here. So just like what you see right here, the first one here, enter your research question or prompt, submit your prompt, review and edit research, wait for the report, then web app notification, mobile app notification, assessing and using research reports, then scroll down and read some of the details right there. So these are the best way to use Google Gemini Deep Research. So this is just an example. There are so many ways by which you can use Google Gemini AI to do some certain stuff all for free. Now you have some of the links that is backing up with your research, such as Google's support right here and Gemini Deep Research, your personal research assistant, and you can also click on Google Blog to reach more details. You can swipe this way and see quite a lot of results as far as this question is concerned. So if you are satisfied with the results, just click on here to feel good. Then click on see more right here. One very good thing as far as this is concerned is that if you don't know how to read or you don't want to read, you can simply select listening right here, and it's going to read what we have right here. Everyone can hear.
To use Google Gemini for deep research, you can leverage the Deep Research feature available within the Gemini apps. This feature is designed to help you conduct in-depth and real-time research on virtually any topic. Here's how you can use it.
So that is just it. So you can simply listen to the result from Google Gemini AI. That's simple. Okay, so you can simply come down right here and click on more right here, and then use this particular copy icon just to copy the old text if you are satisfied with the result, or you can simply click on double check the response, and once you double check the response, then searching on Google. So it's going to evaluate Gemini's statement, and then you can read back and you can see it has been double checked. Some of the highlights right here is that simple. So right here, check completed, then understand the result, just like so. Then one more thing here is that you can simply come down below right here. You can see create docs and code, which is a new feature right here. You can also click on this plus sign right here, which allows you to upload images, upload file, or upload DOC from Google Drive. These are all three possible ways by which you can use to upload information and use on Google Gemini AI. You can also use this particular mic right here to ask Google Gemini a question. So Gemini is going to listen to whatever you are saying, and once you are done, it's going to send. Then once it's sent, you get the report from Google Gemini AI. You can see. So basically, this is how to simply directly chat with Google Gemini AI without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.